Hey, coffee lovers, Todd, you brought some presents. What do we got here?
Yeah, we got two new toys. Fresh off the plane from Chiato, we have a new E37 SD single dose grinder and an E37 with a new quick set gear controlled for adjusting your grind.
So we're going to open these up. We don't even know who has what, right? And then we have a third thing back here. Whoever gets their box open first gets to open that one.
Take a look at that. Right.
If you've got an E37S presently and you want to do a little upgrade, there's something in there for you.
Yeah, you can do an upgrade. Yep.
Cool. Well, let's go.
Yeah.
I have my totally safe razor.
Well, I have
here.
my even safer razor. And without further ado, we'll just get in here.
Take a look.
Let you guys share the excitement with us.
And we're mid-March right now. We're going to SCA, right?
Oh yeah, and you guys are going to the SCA show in Boston, come on over to Chiato booth. You'll see us there, or we'll be running around. You might see us there, but you'll see these grinders. These are ones that we're bringing over there. We'll have at the show. And we'll also have the new E37Z Hero grinder there, zero retention. I've been using that now for probably about a month with an awesome espresso bar I set up front, which actually some cool toys there, which we will show you eventually.
Talk more about that, yeah?
Yeah, and it's pretty amazing, actually, the E37Z. Okay, so which one do I have?
I don't know.
Oh, I got the SD.
Oh.
I'm kind of hoping for that.
Oh, these are big boys, huh?
Okay.
Oh, I think this is the, that's got to be, oh, we got the little cup, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
So the SD is a single dose grinder, and if you weigh out the coffee you're going to put in. Oh, where's the rest of the stuff? You weigh the coffee and you just do one dose at a time. It's not, you don't fill a bean hopper up with this.
Okay. It has the quick set.
Yep,
right?
quick set on that.
The worm gear. That's the same thing that you'll find on the same sort of a setup used on their Hero grinder. If you haven't seen that video, I mean, it's one of the darn finest grinders ever made.
Yeah. She's expensive, but it's pretty amazing. So we got a little cup there. And in here, you got a bean hopper with that one?
I must. I hope.
So this one, we got the bellows goes up top here.
Oh, here's my hopper.
And you got so there we go. So another cool thing with this is, well, it's pretty smooth too. If you want to change between a fine grind and a coarse grind, you loosen this, push that down, that swings out of the way, then you can just turn this like that. So
make a really big size adjustment.
Yeah, go between like pour over and espresso and come back to where just exactly where you were, because you got a little pointer here and you got some numbers. So this is pretty, I can't wait to crank this thing up. And that's not what this video is all about, but we will do that later.
So that helps get you whack on that, right?
Yep. You put
got the RDT sprayer there?
Yep. So that'll go in there to collect your grinds if you want, or you can put your portafilter in there and put this in your portafilter to collect the grinds. And you will have a little cup. We don't have one here, but we're going to get some of the really cool little cups that you can put your coffee into. You spray it and then dump it in here and just hit it out.
Okay.
So that's,
I mean, you could use this though? Put your grinds in there, do
yeah, if you're doing that.
And then,
Well, no, because you're going to be coming out there while you're pouring.
Oh, you're assuming you got the grinder on.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, like no timing functions
just
up here. It's just kind of start,
like
stop,
start,
right?
stop.
And this is the standard. This is just like an E37S.
Yep.
Except with the quick set worm gear there.
That's beautiful.
And still just the three screws to get up inside either of these. And oh, well, let's get off.
Oh, yeah.
So if you have an E37S, this, we assume, we haven't opened the box yet.
That's what they told me are coming.
We assume this is an upgrade part.
So again, anybody going to Boston, we're gonna bring these grinders there for the trade show there in the SCA show in Boston. Come on by, take a look at them. I think you're gonna be impressed.
Now we've had a couple other commercial-oriented grinders in, and some guys from local baristas come in, and
ooh, we got 3 of them.
Bonus, right?
Yeah, and they loved them. They actually compared
They love the worm gear adjustments.
Yeah. Well, they compared the E37K to the Koni.
Yeah.
And they really liked it a lot better. Okay, so
we'll have these available. So these are all, these are the first ones in the U.S., right?
That I know of.
And you're taking them right to the show in Boston.
Yeah, actually, it's really cool. We're taking these down actually to the PGA golf tournament next weekend in Tampa.
Okay.
We're going to have some ExoBar machines down there and some Chiatos. We're making coffee for people. A little bit of luck, I'll be making a cappuccino for Tiger Woods. Would that be fun or what?
Yeah.
So we'll be down there doing that. Then they're going to the show, trade show in Boston. So if
Okay.
you get one of these, you just take the burrs off your existing grinder, E37S, if you're making the upgrade.
Right.
Put your burrs in here, put your burrs in there, screw it on.
And now you've got that.
Yeah, you got your adjustment. You're good to go.
And again, they're calling this the Quick Set gear. And it's a worm gear. And this is, again, what they're using on the Hero grinder. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Gosh darn cool grinder. You've been using a lot.
Yeah,
I've used it a lot.
We'll do some more really in-depth ones coming
Yeah.
up.
So very nice. So there you go. So much excitement unboxing stuff.
Kids and their toys.
But if you happen to be in Boston for SCA show coming up in April?
April, like weekend of the April 12th, I believe it is.
12th, yeah.
2019.
2019, you can see us there and check out these grinders. Till then,
Okay.
thanks for watching. Want to learn more? Subscribe now so you'll know about the latest videos on everything coffee from Whole Latte Love.